Welcome back, everybody. Day 2 of deer hunting. Can't get it done yet, but what we can do is make a delicious breakfast burrito. Let's give it a try.
Look at how I'm cleaning that up. Look at that.
Man.
Looks brand new.
Dice up some of these rustic potatoes that Brent painstakingly washed for us. Extra virgin olive oil. And down with the potatoes. Blackstone carne asada. Woo! Texas wild hog sausage chorizo from my buddy Colin, because I can't harvest an animal anymore, so thanks for the chorizo, Colin. We're gonna take advantage of the grease in this pork and mix it straight up with the potatoes. It's actually a good point right there. Small pieces of potatoes. If you make them really small, they cook up super quick. Don't have to have all that hassle. So super small potatoes combined with the hog grease. I have some garlic left over from yesterday's steak and spinach. Wild hog sausage, you definitely want to make sure it's well done. You don't want to be cooking pork rare. If you hear any shenanigans in the background, the kids are shooting the BB gun. Everything's looking good. We're turning that temperature down to low. Liquid eggs, time saver, big time when you're out in the field. You have to have fresh cilantro, baby. Cilantro into the mix. You've seen me use this cheese in videos before. El Viero is my favorite queso quesadilla, Mexican melting cheese. The biggest tortillas I could find at the store, the Mission Extra Grande. Some filling into the burrito. Of course, you know my favorite, Cholula chili garlic. Gonna leave this burner on low. We're gonna turn this one off altogether. Olive oil, could be avocado oil as well. And time to toast the burritos. In for a flip. Oh, yes. Golden brown. Looks like the burritos are done. And you know we have to have the crema. A little more Cholula on top. And another dusting of the carne asada. Give it a try.
what a crunch.
Delicious lunch. Now it's time to get back to hunting. So thanks for watching. Please make sure you're watching all the other shows on the Blackstone Network. Until next time, this is Todd, a couple of my boys, and my buddies for saying praise the Lord and pass breakfast burritos.